How to save highlights in Marvel Rivals. So first, you simply need to click on your profile here at top right, then go to favorites. Once you're there, all of your highlights will be listed, or your 5 recent highlights. These are my recent highlights. So if you want to save it, you simply need to click on the save option right here. You could also watch it by just clicking on the highlight right here. So I'm gonna click on it and it will load the highlight for me. So you simply need to wait till it's all loaded up. Now, as you can see, there's the highlight that I had. So you could watch it first if you want. But for me, I'm just going to go back right here and save it again. And as you can see, this pop-up screen looks pretty cool. But after that, if you want to save it, click on save. And you could also change the highlight name, the resolution, the scaling right here, and the frame rate, and the graphics quality. Once that's done, click on confirm. And it will basically save the highlight. And you just need to wait for it, and don't leave the screen because it might cause the highlight to fail saving on your computer. So once it's done, as you can see right here, it is now saved. So you could also share it if you want. So to TikTok, it only shared to TikTok. But if you want to basically export the file, go click on open, and you will be brought to the save folder right here, where you could move it or upload it to any platform that you want. And that's basically it.